Have you ever wondered how researchers actually know what they know? How do we move from simple curiosity to real, reliable knowledge that shapes our world? Welcome to this new series where we'll explore exactly how research methodology works. This isn't just about memorizing facts from textbooks. It's about learning to think like a researcher, someone who questions, investigates, and uncovers truths. In this journey, you'll discover how research transforms questions into answers that matter. Before we dive in, let's clear up a common confusion. Many people mix up methods and methodology. Methods are the specific tools researchers use, like surveys, interviews, or experiments. Methodology, on the other hand, is the big picture, the strategy behind those tools. It's about understanding why you choose a certain method, how it fits your research question, and what assumptions you're making about reality and knowledge. This distinction is crucial for anyone who wants to do meaningful research. Think of methodology as the foundation of a house. You can have fancy furniture, great paint, and stylish decor, but without a solid foundation, the house will eventually crumble. In the same way, your research might look impressive on the surface, but without a strong methodology, it won't stand up to tough questions. This analogy helps us see why methodology is not just an academic detail, it's what makes research reliable and respected. In this series, I'll guide you through the core pillars of research methodology. We'll start with philosophical foundations, move into quantitative approaches, explore qualitative research, and look at mixed methods and ethics. Each of these pillars supports the overall structure of your research, ensuring that your work is both rigorous and meaningful. By understanding these elements, you'll be able to design research that stands up to scrutiny. It's easy to get caught up in the tools, surveys, interviews, experiments, but the real power lies in understanding the strategy behind them. Methodology helps you decide which tool is right for your question and how to use it effectively. It's about making informed choices that lead to trustworthy results. This strategic thinking is what separates good research from great research. Once you master research methodology, you gain more than just academic skills. You learn how to evaluate information critically, spot weak arguments, and recognize strong evidence. These skills are valuable not just in research, but in everyday life. Being able to think critically helps you navigate a world full of information and misinformation, making you a more informed and thoughtful person. The ultimate goal of research is to generate insights that people can trust. Methodology is what ensures your findings are reliable and valid. When you understand methodology, you're able to produce knowledge that others can rely on, whether you're working in academia, business, or any other field. This trust is what gives research its power to shape decisions and change the world. Whether you're a student writing your thesis, professional analyzing workplace data, or just someone who wants to understand the difference between good science and misinformation, this series is for you. Research methodology isn't just for academics, it's a skill set that benefits anyone who wants to think more clearly and make better decisions. No matter your background, you'll find value in learning how to approach problems like a researcher. At the end of this journey, you won't just know how to do research, you'll actually think like a researcher. This mindset is transformative. It changes how you approach problems, how you evaluate information, and how you contribute to conversations in your field. Thinking like a researcher means always asking questions, seeking evidence, and striving for clarity. It's a way of seeing the world that opens up new possibilities. Throughout this series, we'll break down complex concepts into clear, manageable steps. Each episode will focus on a different aspect of research methodology, building your understanding piece by piece. By following along, you'll gain a comprehensive view of how research works from the ground up. This structured approach ensures you're never lost and always building on what you've learned. Every research project starts with a philosophical foundation. This means thinking about what counts as knowledge, how we can know things, and what assumptions we bring to our work. These philosophical questions shape every decision you make as a researcher. Understanding them helps you choose the right methods and interpret your results more thoughtfully. Research can take many forms, but two of the most common are quantitative and qualitative approaches. Quantitative research focuses on numbers and measurements, while qualitative research explores meanings and experiences. Both have their strengths and are often used together in mixed methods research. Understanding the differences helps you choose the best approach for your question. Ethics is a crucial part of research methodology. It's about making sure your work is fair, respectful, and responsible. Ethical research protects participants, ensures honesty, and builds trust with the public. We'll discuss how to identify ethical issues and make decisions that uphold the highest standards of integrity. Eventually, all these concepts come together when you design your first research proposal. This is where you put your understanding of methodology into practice. You'll learn how to define your question, choose your methods, and justify your decisions. By following a clear process, you'll create proposals that are logical, persuasive, and ready for real-world application. That's our starting point. In the next episode, we'll dig into why research methodology matters and how it separates real knowledge from unreliable claims. If you're ready to take this journey, stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of research methodology. By the end, you'll have the skills and mindset to approach any problem like a true researcher.